Hey guys, how y'all doing? Today we have a 2005 Ford Mustang. What happened is this key stopped communicating to the car. So let's try to figure it out, what we can do, and then let's get to it. Okay guys, so we have this key. First, let's turn it on. As you can see, the emo lights flashing, so that's always a sign that it's key problem. Let's look through it, what we can find. Let's go to Ford. So you can see the glare. Let's go by vehicle. Go immobilizer. Let's see. So we got Ford Mustang. Gotta find a Mustang right here. There you go. Ford Mustang, and this is 2005. So we have right here 05 to 09. Let's start with technically lost key because we don't have any keys working. So let's check how many keys does it have. It says 2, but it's gonna be cleared out. Say clear or save key password in the memory. Set 2 keys for the engine to start before you want to continue. So now it does set 2 keys. Let's try if we get that one. The bypass. You need to bypass 10-minute. Access, yes. Let's bypass that. Okay. Now at least 2 keys, so we need to make 2 keys. All right. Let's go back. Let me see if I can do it with 1 key. Okay guys, as you can see, we're in the field. You can hear all the cars. Okay, so we need 2 keys to program the car, the Mustang. So we have one here. We can read it, what kind of chip transponder we have, because if not, having the wrong one is not going to work. So right now, let's go to transponder clone, and then let's read the transponder. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. This one is saying that DST40, which I got it prepared with one of these is DST40. Read this one. Read this one. Let's read it. Yep, that one says, let me click it again. Read it. Yep, that's DST40, which is, this is the right chip. At the same time, we're gonna make sure we can program the remote. Let's do that remote first, see what we can do. So we're having 2 separate programming. One is for the car to start, and one is for remote fob. To do the remote fob, we can technically just use this for now without cutting. We have to close the door. Let's try this. Close the door. Then you do fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys hear that? Okay. Then let's press the lock button. That's good. Let's press this one too, because that will erase it. Alright. That's good to go. Our remote part's good. We got the right one. Let's go test that. Then we can go straight for cutting. Let's try to test the remote first. This is the old one, because every time you program a remote, it will delete everything. So That's works. I don't know if you can hear it. Lock and unlock. Then the new key that we're gonna make. There you go. You can hear it. All right, let's go to cutting process. Okay, now we're going to cut. Copy these to the new key that we're gonna make. All right, first we have to connect. Oh, it's cold. This to our machine. I believe that's pretty connected. Let me see. Let's go to turn off. Fine biting, and let's go to Ford. There you go. I know this is let me see. H75. That's the let me go back. There's nothing else here. So it's H75, which is this one. It says M1 clamp, 4 position. We have an M1 clamp right there. And let's put the original key. Make sure it's tight. If it's not, you start moving it. Make sure you get a 4. The 4th line. That's the second to the last. There you go. If you can see it, I'll show you in a little bit. I'm gonna focus to there. Okay. That's good. Then click OK. Then you're gonna press that decode key. And that will read the key. Let's check it. Alright, so that one, we've got it decoded. Click OK. What we're gonna do is, let's move it just a little bit so y'all can see it. Let's remove it. First, remove the Allen screw. Then let's put the new one. Put it at the same spot. The 4th, second to the last. Doesn't have to be perfect, just close to that one. This machine is pretty smart. Smarter than the average bear. Then tighten it. Once we got it there, good location. See that the bottom right says cutting key. Then continue. Alright, so we have that cut. Let's clean it up all off. Make sure it's pretty clean. Then let's remove it with always the Allen first and then the side. Let's do a quick comparison. I know it's hard to look in by the eye, but that's not bad. The only way to find out is to go to the door. Let's see if it at least, you know, lock and unlock it. There you go. This lock. Awesome. See that? It works good. Let's try it again. Unlock. That's it. And then check the ignition if it's. Alright, that looks good. Cutting key success. Now let's program it again, because we need 2 keys to program. Okay guys, so let's go back to programming again. So technically we have deleted everything, all lost key. But now what we're gonna do is let's add a key. Just turn it on. Normally I just have to go back here because, okay, let's go back to Ford. I agree. Let's go by vehicle, immobilizer, and let's go find the Mustang one more time. 05 to 09, and let's go add key. Start the new key and turn on. It's on. Yes. You the bypass. Let's bypass it. Yes. Communicating. Let's wait. Okay. Let's repeat. Let's go all lost key. Okay, yes. Successfully erased. You are ready to program at least 2 keys. Okay. Sequentially insert the key, then switch each one on the on position. So we have one in on position right now. Let's remove it and put another one, put it on again. So then that's it. Okay, that should be programmed. Let's try it. Let's go try the first one first. Let's press the brake. You hear that powerful? You can barely hear me. Turn that off. Let's try the second one. Right here. Alright, you hear that? And the emo light is off. I think our job is done. Make sure everything's right. So 2 keys working. We check the immobilizer. It's off. That tells us that there's nothing wrong with it. Luckily, that's all we need to do. Doesn't have to tear apart anything. But this beautiful muscle car will be back on the road. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.